Okay, so what's up, guys? This is our trade recap for today. We took two trades, one long, one short, and yeah, one was break even and the other one was a win. The first one should have been a win, actually, but we got stopped at break even, then went straight to my take profit. So, coming into the day, I was still bullish because the initial target of yesterday didn't get hit, this Asia high. So I was still like I had an eye on this every time. So like just to explain this eye, every time I put an eye right here, it means that I have like I'm marking down this level. It's important. It's something that I have in my mind, like a target or like a turning point or something. So we had this Asia high of yesterday as a target, but from the opening, I wanted to see some like retracement to the like a low retracement, then go up. That's what happened, and I wanted to catch this short firstly. So if we like see here, there is no fair value gap or anything. So I didn't find any PD array to use, so I can. Oh fuck! I didn't put my. Every time I forgot. Sorry. So here this is our target, like I said, I, and here we didn't have any fair value gap that I can use or like based on so I can get in. So I went to the S&P 500. If you can see here, this is our fair value gap. We had a fair value gap right here. At 9:30 we trade into it. And in Nasdaq we didn't have a 5-minute, but we had this little order block, this one too. If I go to the 3-minute, we had this fair value gap right here. So this fair value gap is the one that I was like based on, so I can find an entry. When I saw this price trade into it, S&P trade into a 5-minute fair value gap, I dropped to the 1-minute. I was first at the 30-second and 15-second. In the 15, this is the fair value gap I'm talking about. In the 15-second, this one, price didn't retrace to it, so I didn't get a clear entry. So I had to wait for a changing state of delivery, which occurred right here. And then we created our first presented fair value gap. And then when we create this changing state of delivery, I waited for price to retrace. I put a sell limit order here. I entered and put my stop right here, and I targeted a 1 to 1.4 risk to reward. I had my break even right here. TP got edged, and then we got out of break even right here, and then price just went straight to our take profit. Then when I saw this move, I was still bearish because if I go to the opening range gap, also I use this. We still got we still got this whole open range gap that should be filled. It actually did here. You see, it's a strong it's also a PD array, so it's a strong how can I say factor to use and to determine your bias. I will do a video about this in our bootcamp, just to give the basic stuff about it, how to use it, how to mark down the levels and everything. So, but you can try this. Just go, I think you can change it here from extended trading hour. This is the normal chart, and then you change it to put regular trading hour. You can see here that every time it gets filled, you see here, this is our open range gap, it got filled. Also here, but it got filled lately in 13th of October. So like I said, I was still bearish. I was trying to flip my bias to bullish because like I said, we still got this target. Then we came down, took these relative equal lows. Firstly, I thought they were equal lows, but they weren't. They are relative equal lows, and price swiped them, then tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap. Then I dropped to the 1-minute. I I looked for a confirmation, which is like I said, an inversion right here. I entered here. I didn't wait for a retrace. I just saw that price will start creating this V shape right here. Then I didn't wait for it and just entered directly. I didn't wait for retrace, put my stop below the swing low, and then I targeted the first presented as my first target, because the first presented can be used also as a draw liquidity. As soon as we created SMT here, I put break even and then got off right here. I could have made more money here, targeting this Asia high, but this is how the most like healthy way to trade for me, because I don't know about you guys. I don't know how you like to trade. If you like to hold more, I'm still working on this. I like to hold more like yesterday, but sometimes it damaged my brain. I don't know how to explain it. It just I feel like my brain is hurting and I start I don't know, it's bad for me. I don't like it. So I just do 1 to 1.4, maximum 1 to 2, and then just exit the trade. In this little trade I actually made 800 something, so I don't need this whole move. I don't like to sit it in front of sit in front of the chart and just start to like trying to catch the whole move or something. Just piece of the pie and let's call it a day and man done, you know. But if you like to trade hold your trade or something, you can take partials here, put break even here or something, but I advise you to take partials and then target these relative equal highs right here, Asia high, our target, and that's it. So this is how I took the trade. I think Ayman also entered somewhere here. He also, I think, entered after he added into his position after this first presented got inversed. As you can see here, it got inversed, then retest. You can enter here and put your stop right below this fair value gap and target the Asia high. This is another trade that looks good. So 1 to 3 risk to reward, it's a good trade. But like I said, I don't need the whole move for now. I'm trying to find a way to not be how can I explain it, to not be as bad as it is right now. Like I told you, I don't feel well when I start holding trades. It hurts my brain. So this was the trade. Price action is so back. I think I hope it stays like this, because look, we had this AM move, then this drop. I think Trump again spoke about something about the tariffs. We had this drop, then up, and I see a lot of setups here forming. I think if I go now to the 5 minute, yeah, I can see a lot of setups here forming. We have, wait, let me put the 15. Yeah, so here you see we have this 15 gap. After inversion this, I would have switched my bias. Then after this retest in the 15 minute, I drop to the 1, and then after that, this is our inversion right here. I don't know if it's the higher time frame inversion, but this is the potential setup we might have catched. And yeah, I think I would have exited here at London lows. Maybe just take partials and check the trade in the afternoon, see if it hits the whole target. You see we're really volatile here, 200 pips. So this is a good opportunity to risk more money, but wisely. Don't risk like a fool. Try and risk more money. I did it today. I risked more money like I used to do. I didn't risk I think I usually risk between 200 and 300. Today I risked 400 or 500 something. So yeah, so this is our trade, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow in our trade recap. I hope price action stays like this, and that's it guys. Enjoy the video. Thank you.